Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of 30 days Excel challenge. So I'm so much excited to teach you many more concepts relating to Microsoft Excel. So let us start exploring what are the advantages of converting some data into table. So first of all, if you convert some data into table, it will appear like this. The first advantage is you can filter the data. As you can see, uh, at every column name, there is one option there you can see one drop down. This drop down is what we call as filter. So suppose if I click here, and a lot of options it is showing. So if I select sort A to Z, my customer name will get, the entire table will get arranged in such a way that all the customer names which start with the A alphabet letter A will come first. Alphabetical B will come next. Like that, it will get sorted. So in the same way, I can sort the same data down in the reverse order. So if I click this again, I can see sort by color option. So in this table, it is not possible to sort this table by color, but in future, if you use additional conditional formatting techniques and if you apply certain kinds of colors to the table, we can definitely sort a particular table or a particular data based on the color a particular cell is having. So I'll show you, don't think otherwise. So another most important thing is the moment you press this drop down, what and all the contents presented in that particular column, they will appear like this. So you can, one such option is you can tick this select all and manually select whatever you wanted to see. Suppose I wanted to see all the sales record related to my customer whose name is Amitabh Bachchan. So I'm clicking OK. So Amitabh Bachchan has bought from me only one time. In the same way, I just wanted to know sales data of Deepak Bhatia. So this is how it represents. So I'll show it in a much better example. Suppose I just wanted to know all my sales data relating to relating to smartwatches. So I can click this drop down. I can go here, undo this. You can select the option smartwatches. You can search this you can search it like this. Otherwise, you can go here to the search bar or you may type it smartwatches. Automatically, it will display. So remove the select all option. Go to smartwatch. Tick this. As you can see, there are only two transactions which is having a smartwatch. So you can put multiple sort options. In smartwatches, first sort is you have applied smartwatches. The second sort you can do that you can sort it down by A to Z. It will also will happen. You can sort this down by multiple levels. So this is how uh, the sort feature works in Microsoft Excel. Another important thing is, if you click here, as you can see, there is one most important option called as text filters. If you click this option, you will be presented with 5 to 6 other options like equals, does not equals, begins with, ends with. Suppose you wanted to check the data whose name starts with alphabet letter A. So you can go to the customer name. You just wanted to analyze all the customers whose name starts with the letter A. So you can go here, you can click this drop down, you can go to the text filters, you go to the begins with option, and you can type here alphabet capital A and click OK. It will give you all the names of your customers whose name has started with the word the letter A. In the same way, you can apply different kinds of textual filters like ends with something. Suppose Amitabh Bachchan is there in our customer list. Bachchan. I just want all the sales data whose name ends with Bachchan. See, no customer is given. I think I have entered the wrong name. If I do it correctly, it will fetch the data. At least try. Whose name ends with Chan. So it gave Abhishek Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan. This is one such powerful feature where by using the combinations of the words, you can just filter out the data whatever you want to. So you can always apply sort option in multiple levels. For example, from this available data, if you wanted to sort this by ascending order, you can do so. Otherwise, if you wanted to sort this by the location, you can apply another sort level to this. So I just want from the Hyderabad location. In Hyderabad location, there is only one customer whose name ends with the letter Bachchan. He is Amitabh Bachchan. So this is how you can analyze the data. You can view your data with the help of table. And the second most important thing is the options which we have explored till now. These are all related to the columns which contains only text. But if a column contains numerical value, there are some other options that we can explore. You can go to this drop down. So instead of going, you can, as you know, this is the sort options. These are basic sort options. You can sort it by smallest to the largest, largest to the smallest. And at the same time, you can go here, number filters, and you can see. Suppose if you wanted to know, if you wanted to see all the sales which are greater than 10,000 rupees, you can go to this greater than option. You can click here, 10,000. Press OK. Now you can see all the sales which are greater than 10,000. Now the most important thing is all sales are greater than 10,000. At the same time, I wanted to see from a particular salesperson. So I wanted to know Abhinav Saxena's sales data where the sale value is greater than 10,000. So if I click OK, I can get this data. See, every data, each and every data is greater than 10,000. So I'm pressing Control Z. It's not Control Z. I call it Z, but it's actually Z, the letter Z. It will take you to one step back. If you press Control Z, it will take you to one step back, like this thing. CTRL plus Z. Some people will call it J, some people will call it Z. So whatever it is, the function is same. So like such options will be available, and the same way I can filter the data using equals. I just wanted to see all the sales value, sales record, which is having this number. See, there is only one such entry. So like that I can filter this out. I'll explore, I'll show you all the other options. So I have shown you equal. Does not equal to refers to except the amount you entered in that cell, all the other values will be displayed. Greater than, equal to, you know. Similarly, less than and less than equal to will function. I'll tell you between function. Between thing. These are not functions. This is just an option. Let me go one step back. Go to the sales data, number functions, between. So here I wanted to just see the data which ranges from 15,000 to 25,000. I am pressing OK. Now see each and every transaction where my my sales amount is from 15,000 to 25,000. Each and everything got displayed. Like that you can filter it manually and you can watch it. Suppose you wanted to clear a filter, you can click this drop down again. You can select this option, clear filter from the price. Now there is another feature. You can always sort a particular thing based on the color. Suppose imagine all the important transactions I have highlighted by using yellow color. Suppose now I wanted to filter the data. So filter by color option I can check, and filter by cell this color. If I click that color, all the entries which are having that particular color will be highlighted first, will be shown to you. So this is how it works. So please do watch it. Please do comment below in the comment section. If you have any doubts, please do comment. I'll make a video about it. And please do attend all the quizzes. So thank you very much for your participation. Sai Ram.